Welcome back, gamers. Today we playing some Minecraft. We going to be doing another challenge, a fan made, called, If I See a Chicken, I End the Video. Also make sure to subscribe, like and press the notification button down below. Also if you have any ideas, comment some below for a shout out on the next video. First let me try and avoid any chickens. Also I'm try and trade with a person outside my house. I can afford anything. Let me just try and kill this person first, so I could steal his llamas. Now let me get them to my house. Never mind, there's a chicken.
Bored kid.
Join the link.
Cool kid.
Join the
Cool kid.
join the
Cool kid.
join the
Cool kid.
join the link.
Cool kid.
Join the
Cool kid.
join the
Cool kid.